Hi, welcome back to Sir Rick's Vlogs. Well, today I'm going to put a new battery in this truck, and it should start right up when I'm done. I have to remove the hold down that keeps the battery in place so it can't fall out. Take the terminals back off, and we'll put the new battery in. It should start right up. This is a follow-up to my last vlog where it wouldn't start. Hope everybody's doing good today. It's a pretty simple task. It takes a few minutes, but not too long at all. Okay, there's the negative terminal. Now we'll do the positive terminal. You should always do them in that order. Always remove the ground first, and then the hot. Oh, it's kind of heavy. There's the new battery going in. Hold down back in. Actually, is a pretty easy little task to do, no problem whatsoever. That's tight. This is a little felt washer. This helps keep the battery terminal from corroding. It goes on the positive side. Tap this down on good. All the way onto that terminal. And tighten this clamp up. Alright, it's good and tight. That piece back over there is a protector. Nothing touches it. Tap that one down so it's making good contact, and tighten it up. Alright, good and tight. So, let's see if it will start. It sure should. Alright, success. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Sir Rick's Vlogs. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make a comment if you'd like. See you later. Bye-bye.